Good morning, Dorian.
Good morning, ma'am. Mabuhay.
May I call on Shima Jel Herda to lead us the prayer.
Let us pray. Dear Father,
Thy children are here before thee. We offer this day all we do and take and say. Please keep light our minds to understand our lessons well. Help us to love one another, because we are all thy children. Bless our parents in our home. Bless our teachers in our school. Bless our country and bring us all to heaven. Amen.
Thank you, Shima Jel. Have your seat. How's your morning? Sleeping? Why are you sleeping? Tired? You have a fun run? So therefore, let's do a singing. 1, 2, 3.
Pag-ibig tulad ng batis, tulad ng batis. Pag-ibig tulad ng batis, tiwa ko. Pag-ibig tulad ng batis, tulad ng batis. Pag-ibig tulad ng batis, diwa ko.
Okay, have your seat.
Audio Jungle.
To have our new lesson with an objective. Everybody, read our objective.
Say the pros and cons of dating.
Very good. Very well said. But by the way, class, are you familiar with debate?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, we are familiar with debate. Well, this morning we are going to have debate. Without your knowledge, I assign the debating team with this resolution. Everybody, read our resolution.
Allow grade 8 students to go on dating.
So that is the resolution I assign to the two teams. Before we start the debate, I would like to remind you of our general rule that no bags allowed. BAG stands for blame, anger, guilt, and shame. During and after this debate, no bags is allowed. May I call on our debating team? Please. And may I call on our moderator, Juana Ripollio.
this house will come to order. I am pleased to welcome you all to the first round of Grade 8 Dorian Debating Tournament. The topic being debated today is Allow Grade 8 Students to Go on Dating. Seated on my right, representing the affirmative side, are the first affirmative speaker, Shimadil Herda. Second affirmative speaker, Team Cortez. Third affirmative speaker, Zoran Gabutan. Speaking for the negative side will be its first speaker, Belmon Agpalsa. And the second negative speaker, Joshua Ranieses. Third negative speaker, Yusel Kambangay. On behalf of the House, I extend a special welcome to our judges. Ma'am Raquel Docalios, Bawing National High School Reading Coordinator. Ma'am Cheryl Cabrera, Bawing National High School Academic Head. Ma'am Grace T, Senior High School SMAU Advisor. Speakers will have 2 minutes in which to deliver their remarks. There will be a break of 2 minutes, after which the debaters will have 2 minutes each for rebuttal. The clerk will indicate how much speaking the time is remaining by pressing the timer. After each debater sit down, I will immediately call on the next debater to begin his or her address. Question will be permitted. 2 judges are to penalize any debater who interrupts another thoughtlessly or excessively or who lowers the level of debate. Judges should not confer with one another until after they have scored the debate. There are any questions regarding the rules?
Audio.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for the privilege of having me as the first speaker in this morning debate. And as a student living in a democratic country, I think it's just my right to exercise my freedom of expressions, and I stand positive about this issue. First, dating is safe because they can help how to know the personality and the character of your friends or my lovers. Second, online dating is to help the people to make a chat on your family, friends, or your lovers that far away from the people that do the chat, so the online dating can help the people. Third, serious dating involves a commitment and monogamy. This type of dating often leads to becoming engaged and getting married. They consider themselves as a couple. As kids break away from their parents and siblings, they form the social bonds and learning the responsibility that they will need to create independent adult lives. Teenage dating provides boldness, lessons in respect, communications, and responsibility. Relationships at this stage of development also provide a mirror into your teen's desires, values, and hopes for the type of relationship she wants in the future. As a student living in a democratic country, I think it is just right to exercise my freedom of expressions. First, dating is safe because they can help us to know the personality and the character of my friends or my lover. Second, online dating is to help the people to make a chat on your family, friends, or your lover that far away from you. So the online dating can help the people. Third, serious dating involves a commitment and monogamy. This type of dating often leads to becoming engaged and getting married, and they consider themselves as a couple. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, moderator. Good morning, everyone. Shima, dating is safe if you already know each other. When you go date and the couple love each other, there are some incidents that cannot be controlled. In online dating, the negative possibilities that could happen in online dating is maybe he's a poser. Maybe he has bad intention to you. Like, if she or he would ask you to send a naked picture of you and scared to spread it to social media and ask some money to fool you. There are several possible explanations of early dating problematic behavior. Early daters are greater risk takers in general. When you are in early relationship and come into breakups, the emotional trauma can affect one's well-being. It can plant fear within one's heart in future relationships. On the other hand, dating is hard and complicated for individuals of any age, so these young middle schoolers may be particularly ill-equipped to deal with dating, breakups, and all of the emotional complications. The most visible negative impact of teenage dating is the school grades. Teenagers lose interest in studies, and this is emblematic of their shifting priorities in life. This involves a double failure when teenagers lose
Their marks in class, followed by problems in a relationship on the personal side. Thank you.
Thank you for your remarks. I now call upon the second affirmative speaker.
Morning mom, good morning fellow students. Negative says that the dating is not safe. But it can also save when you talk two couples controlling your emotion and yourself until you finish your studies. Online dating is safe because it's activity that you can communicate with the other people far from you. Third, it's a part of your adventure in this world, and you can stop the temptation. Dating has many positive benefits for teens, even if they easily get carried away with romantic feelings. Appropriate relationship lead to maturity in teenager and better understanding of adult relationship. Dating displays practice in early adults. Teens discover what they want and need of romantic relationships. Through dating, teens have tools and navigating the are both to dominate relationship as adults.
Thank you. Now I call upon the second negative speaker.
Morning classmates. Yes, the dating is not good because in the middle school, children are not still extremely immature and often cannot make decisions effectively. The majority of peers are intelligent and lack of form of self-control. It obvious none of them should be dating other children, considering how immature they are. Middle school dating shouldn't be an option. According to a scientific research, kids who began dating before age 14 were 80% more likely to become addicted to marijuana and alcohol. Most of them equal-weighted middle school daters had been divorced at least once. Because of evidence, I don't advise. I think the only reason kids do this because we want to feel older. I have seen kids who want to grow up too soon and just as cutest guy or girl because their friends have girlfriends or boyfriends and just stupid and stage. Thank you.
I think the second negative speaker. I now call upon the
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my fellow classmates. For me, dating is good because by dating, you can know about yourselves, your likes, your personalities, and you can express your feelings. In short, getting to know each other. You can use it as your inspiration, and by dating, your relationship becomes better. For me, dating, but negative says that dating is not safe. For me, dating can be safe if both of them are controlling their emotion and selves until both of them finish their studies. Kids should learn the development of relationships at an early age so they are prepared better for the actual thing in the future. I believe that relationships in middle school are a good demo run to prepare students for relationships that may form in the future. This is a great way to start the process of growing up. According to Manning et al., adolescence is an exploratory stage where important skills and experience are obtained while dating reach out teens to navigate later life relationships. Incidents of conflict and breaking up for instance, are experiences for adolescents to endure and learn from. These lessons can eventually foster the emergence of more mature relationships behaviors. That's all.
Thank you, third affirmative. Good morning, judges, and good morning to our classmates. However, dating is not safe. There are risks connected with dating that can affect any person, especially young and innocent. It is not good to go dating in our age because it can distract our studies. Not just our studies, but our household coercing home. Usually, at our age, we're easily distracted, especially when we enjoy dating. We forget to focus to our important thing to do. Some students go on dating because their friends are waiting outside. Any boy or girl who starts dating at a very young age of 11 is at risk. Group of their parents should be concerned because they are more likely to lie, cheat, and run away just to follow their feelings. The biggest threat about teenage dating is their inability to maintain a relationship. Teenagers mostly do not understand the necessity of sustaining a relationship over a period of time. Therefore, frequent breakups and fights leads to attempt to suicide, teenage pregnancy, or mental instability to extreme cases. This happens due to lack of experience and a broader understanding of what a relationship are. Especially in online dating, we are not 100% sure that the people we chatting online is the people we expected for. And according to Psalms 118 verse 8, it is better to trust in the Lord than to put confidence in man. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, third guest speaker. And now we declare a 2 minutes recess during which the debaters are to prepare their rebuttal. May I request my dear opponent to please stand and answer my question? Do you agree that dating is one of the reasons that many students can focus on their studies?
Yes, because dating is an important
That's enough. Answer your question. Next question. Are you aware of premarital sex?
Yes or no?
Agree that dating is one of the reasons that many students can focus to their studies?
Yes, because dating is an
That's
important
enough.
part.
Thank you. Answer it yes or no. Next question. Are you aware of premarital sex?
No, because dating is
Thank you. Next question. Are you agree in early marriage?
No, because in my age.
Next question. Can please stand and answer the question. Question number 1.
Are you aware that we have a freedom of expression?
Yes, I am aware of it.
Okay. The next question for you is of the
And now I call upon the second negative to present the negative side.
Question number 1. Could a dating know how to achieve your goals in life?
Yes, because it
That's enough. Answer. Answer it by yes or no. Question number 2. Do you think that the dating is a person that you don't know is safe?
No, because
That is further questions taken.
I think the second negative, and now I call upon the second affirmative to present the affirmative side.
may I request my dear opponent to please stand and answer my questions. Dating have many positive benefits for teens.
No.
Can you repeat it?
No.
Can you go on dating when you're invited with your friends?
No.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
I think the second affirmative, and now I call upon the third negative to present the negative side, final rebuttal.
Thank you, our moderator. May I request my dear opponent to please stand and answer my questions. Question number 1. Do you think that dating is the first solution in knowing one's personality?
Yes.
Yes, your answer is yes. Question number 2. Are you aware that early marriage is one of the results of dating at a very young age?
Yes.
Okay. You're aware too. Question number 3, rather. Do you agree that usually dating is the reason that many of women have their early pregnancy because of dating?
Yes.
Okay, question number 4. Last question. Do you agree that dating is one of the reasons that many of students can't focus to their studies?
No.
Okay, thank you. That's all.
I think the third negative, and now I call upon the third affirmative to present the affirmative side's final rebuttal.
May I request my dear opponent to please stand and answer my questions? I have a right to respect others' feelings.
Yes.
Do you agree that dating is part of our life?
No, because we are so very early at our age.
Thank you. No further questions.
Wait lang.
May I request my dear opponent to please stand and answer my questions? Are you aware that we have a right to respect others' feelings?
No, because we are too young to know.
Just answer it by yes or no.
Okay, fine.
Do you agree that dating is part of our life?
No.
Thank you. No further.
I think the third affirmative for concluding the debate. Would the judges please give me the score sheet as soon as they have completed them? Debaters are asked to remain until the time after which the judges may address comments to them. On behalf of the House, I thank the judges and the clerk for the assistance. I congratulate all the debaters for their performance, and I thank the members of the gallery for their attentiveness. This debate is now concluded.
How to build trust in your family. How to teach The benefits of good dating. You overcome problems and it makes you very happy. And if you do that, you take note with others. The relationship will be stronger. Ooh, the good dating is a good day and a very happy day. So that's why we have group dating, group dating, group dating.
And this is what we found out. Out of 47 students, there are 14 of us who are in favor of going to date at an early age, whereas there are 20 students are against dating and the remaining 5 are still interested.
Ibigay sa Diyos ka dyan. Parati kang maiiwan at masasaktan. Hindi mo alam ikaw ay nabitay. Nabitay sa katotohanan, hindi mo minalay. Kung umibig ka lang naman, huwag ka umibig sa kung sino man. Umibig ka sa taong tunay. Tunay ang pagmamahal ng panghabang buhay. Huwag maging tanga. Tumayo sa sariling mga paa. Pag-ibig ay hintayin upang hindi ka nito patayin.
The negative or affirmative? So, negative. Teenage relationship leads to numerous other damaging outcomes. First and foremost, teenagers are biologically immature to deal with relationships. A teenager's brain is not fully armed with the requisite experience and knowledge to be able to distinguish the right person and the wrong. For your assignment tomorrow, interview your parents. How did they meet each other? Write your interview in a 1/2 sheet of pad paper. Okay? Goodbye, Dorian.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am.